For this system, we're using a 16-gallon storage tote. You can use any size and scale this system up or down depending on your needs and how much food consumption you have. Our first step is to put vent holes near the top of the container. I put 3 in each side, but you can add more if you would like. The most important thing is that we're providing good airflow to our bin. We are applying mesh with our waterproof caulk around those ventilation holes. The mesh that I used is the type for screen repairs in doors and windows. You can use any type of mesh that allows good airflow that is small enough to block most insects. I used the quick dry caulk that's waterproof. I chose this particular one because it was fast drying and low odor, and it could be cleaned up with water before it cured. Some caulks contain harsh chemicals that you could be allergic to, so make sure to read the label carefully and follow all application instructions. This container we can do a thin layer at the bottom, or we can fill it as deep as we'd like with our media, depending on the kind of worms that we're going to be using and the system that we want. This is going to be best used outdoors, whether that's a garage or a shed overhang. So with this bin, we did want to put some ventilation in. So we put air holes in the side here, but note that they are under the lip, and when we put the lid on, they'll also add some extra protection so that if water is coming down, it won't come through the sides. So we want our lid to fit completely over and seal. We don't want any holes at the handles or any way that water from the top can get into our bin, because this bin is not going to have any bottom drainage like some bins do.